I never thought I'd get pulled into the cesspool of a department. Guess I was thrown off, but here I am again, sucked back in.
Good evening, Detective Hershey.
No, Detective. I've been for a long time. Please don't smoke in here, Liz.
Myers. I'm the Myers. And I'll do this.
Tip.
And what can I do for you today, Miss Myers, philanthropist?
I need you to take down a corrupt police department. Your department. They think they end the city, but they went too far. They killed my brother, Emerson.
I thought I left all that behind. I was a good cop. Thrown off the force for reporting the corruption going on behind the scenes. The drug dealing, money laundering, brutality, and yes, the murder. I caught my old partner planting drugs on a suspect and reported him. They fired me on the spot. My partner and his cronies beat me to an inch of death and left me with these useless hands. I didn't do it for the money. I was scared, terrified. But I lived in fear too long and need to burn this ship once and for all. I had to go back to my old weak contacts. I called up an acquaintance, an informant who cleaned up his act, working security in the warehouse district. He told me he'd seen some shady stuff happening around his warehouse. Cops coming and going at odd hours of the night. But the people he knew from his time in the streets. That one's a known drug dealer, I know that much. And that one, I know that face, and I don't like it.
We agreed on 5,000 anyways, and I'm paying a cent more.
Look, Daryl, you ain't calling the shots here. Things change. Pay up the $10,000 or you ain't leaving here alive. Search.
No, not now. Now or never.
Lucky shot.
When will you ever learn, you useless rat?
I guess it had to end like this. Me versus them. Good versus bad. PI versus... Typical.